Welcome to Cologne. Let us show you around the city. Enjoy it. The cathedral is a symbol of Cologne. It is located right in the city center and a place to go for the tourists. Don't miss it. Don't be sad if you don't have tickets for every game here in Cologne. On the Roncalli place next to the Dome, you can watch football on a big screen together with 8,500 people. Just behind me you see the Rhein-Energie Stadium. Normally the local club 1. FC Köln plays his home games here. During the World Cup 5 games take place here. Let's go inside and have a look. You have a ticket for a FIFA World Cup game here in Cologne? Okay, I show you the quickest way from the main station to the stadium. Of course, in summer football will be number one, but let us show you what else there is to do in Cologne. A visit to the Sports and Olympia Museum in Cologne is a must for every sports fan. In it you find everything related to sports, so come along and have a look. If you are thirsty and hungry, you should visit a Kölner Brauhaus. Here you can have a lot of specialties, typical Cologne. If you want something to take away that's fast, cheap and tasty, you should go to Ferkelum. You can't find a better snack bar in whole Cologne. And by the way, Ferkelum is something like a little piglet. If you love Italian food, you have to go to Borsalino in der Zülpicher Straße in Cologne. Here you get the real Italian pizza for less money. Every time I'm here, I take the one with parma and rucola. Try it. The nightlife in Cologne is very lively. Here you find a lot of bars, clubs and nightclubs, and the best thing is, the party goes on the whole night. next place is the Lola Cocktail Bar. Here you can get 13 different cocktails. Fun, guarantee. And try out the happy hour. It's 1 o'clock, time to go dancing. I go now in the nightclub, the alte Wartesaal, directly in the main station from Cologne. Come on.
Stadt Köln. The metropolis on the Rhine is one of 4 German cities with 1 million or more inhabitants.